Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week I've been behind the wheel of the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. And after this review, Toyota is either going to love me or hate me because I'm going to tell you exactly why you will and won't purchase this hybrid SUV. But first, my friends at Tires Easy are back and sponsoring this review. So if you haven't done it yet, visit their website, tireseasy.com, and you'll save a minimum of 10% on your next set of tires. I guarantee it. Now do me a favor and hit that subscribe button because this review starts right now. For those who don't know, the Crown Signia replaced the now discontinued Venza. I'm confused as to why Toyota would get rid of one vehicle which proved not popular amongst buyers and replace it with an upscale SUV which costs $12,000 or more depending on your market location and trim level than the vehicle no one bought. But here we are. At first glance, the self-charging hybrid Crown Signia SUV is a lot more high-end. The optional premium Bronze Age exterior paint color with black roof looks nice, but it wouldn't be my first choice. This sleek LED lighting design carried over from the Toyota Crown sedan offers standard high beam assist technology and represents a more mature style, which I do like. The 21-inch wheels are also standard on the limited trim, which is the only trim available in Canada. US buyers, you have the option of the XLE trim, which comes equipped with 19-inch wheels. 19-inch wheels and tires are cheaper, but if you really want to save money on your next set of tires, visit my friends at tireseasy.com. As for the interior, the Crown Signia is posh and feels more like a Lexus interior than a Toyota. But personally, if I wanted a Lexus, I just buy a Lexus, which I ultimately did previously. I'll speak more about the interior shortly, but for now, pricing. MSRP pricing in Canada begins at $60,453.90 before you include the optional technology package. MSRP pricing in the US for the XLE trim begins at $44,590, but for the difference of $4,400, you can level up to the limited trim. If you're not completely sold on the Crown Signia because of pricing, stay tuned for more because there's a lot more to consider than just the sticker price. Now, one thing I am sold on is Toyota's self-charging hybrid system. So under the hood of the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid transaxle system with an electronically controlled CVT transmission. There's also 3 different driving modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. But if you include Custom and EV mode, there's actually 5 modes, and on-demand all-wheel drive is standard. This hybrid powertrain system is producing 240 horsepower when combining both electric and gas power. And this is how it looks off the line when in sport mode. Sport mode activated. Now, let's go. Hey, that's not bad, considering that this hybrid SUV weighs just over 4,200 pounds. When it comes to fuel economy in the Crown Signia, I'm straight up calling out Toyota's BS. Yes, you heard me say it, BS. I personally have never been in a vehicle equipped with 21-inch wheels and tires that provide the same estimated fuel economy stats as a vehicle equipped with smaller wheels and tires. If you have, well then let me know in the comment section. Now that aside, Toyota estimates that the Crown Signia can average 6.2 liters per 100 kilometers or 38 miles per gallon with either the 19-inch or 21-inch wheel and tire combo when combining both city and highway cruising. Now in reality, I was only able to average 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers or 31.7 miles per gallon when combining urban driving, sitting in traffic, and highway cruising. But I should also share that I have winter tires on and it's been below 10 degrees Celsius or 50 Fahrenheit all week long. Out of curiosity, I went out for a longer 90-minute primarily highway cruise and I did average 6.9 liters per 100 kilometers or 34 miles per gallon with the, again, 21-inch wheel and tire combination with winter tires on, which is actually really impressive. Lastly, the Crown Signia Hybrid takes regular fuel, whereas my previously beloved Lexus preferred premium fuel. Classified as a crossover SUV by Toyota, for its sedan-inspired driving characteristics, low ground clearance, and SUV functionality. Don't let the premium look of this vehicle trick you into thinking it's not useful for hauling, because it is. For example, the Crown Signia can tow up to 2,700 pounds versus my highly recommended Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, which can only tow up to 1,750 pounds. The Crown Signia's cargo space continues to impress by offering up to 730 liters or 25.8 cubic feet of space with the rear seats up. With the seats lowered in their 60-40 split configuration, the cargo space expands to 1,946 liters or 68.8 cubic feet of space. Other features include rear handles to unlock and lower the rear seats, a tire repair kit under the trunk floor, and a hands-free kick to open or close power liftgate. Whether you choose to purchase the XLE trim or the limited trim, your Crown Signia will come equipped with one of my favorite features, which is rear heated seats, but only on the exterior positions. Now, these seats are also fixed, meaning they don't slide forwards or recline. They fold like I've already demonstrated. Now, when it comes to rear leg space, it's pretty much on par with the Lexus RX 350, but when it comes to head space, the Crown Signia actually offers 2 more inches of rear head space over the RX 350, which is impressive. Now, overall storage space back here is good. You have large pockets behind both front seats, but side door storage can be improved. And then for connectivity, you receive 2 USB-C ports. Before I hit the road to summarize why you will or won't consider purchasing the Crown Signia, which Toyota will either love me for or hate me for, I'm going to highlight some interior features of this limited trim. Beginning with the reversible rear view mirror. I absolutely love this feature for the added safety, but it is optional and part of the advanced technology package. Then the panoramic glass sunroof with power shade is standard in the limited trim as well, along with the front leather seats, which are power operated, heated, and ventilated. The steering wheel is also heated, and on the left side you'll find your Bluetooth, your voice commands, and your arrow buttons, so you can customize your fully digital driver cluster. On the right side you'll find your adaptive cruise control functions with a lane trace assist shortcut button, and if you really want to customize your Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 driver assisted technology functionality, then use the buttons on the left side to also make adjustments through the center portion of your digital driver cluster. And on both sides of your steering wheel, you'll find shortcut buttons to operate your JBL premium audio sound system. The 12.3-inch infotainment system is straightforward and includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Use the buttons on the left side to operate it, but make sure to ask your Toyota specialist about your complimentary and pay-for subscription services, especially if you prefer navigation and a remote start feature. Down below, you'll find hard buttons to operate your HVAC system. Below there is a stand-up mobile charging unit. This area also includes a shortcut button so you can check your 360 surround camera view, which is part of the advanced technology package. Additional connectivity up front includes 2 USB-C ports, but inside your dual-sided center console is an adjustable and removable small tray with one 12-volt port and 1 more USB-C port. Now, let's hit the road. 2025 Toyota Crown Signia final impressions, and I'm going to tell you exactly why you will and won't purchase this hybrid SUV. And I'm going to start with the positives. So, number 1, Toyota brand. Then there's Toyota safety, really good. Toyota hybrid powertrain system, amazing. All positives. But why you won't purchase this vehicle is pricing. $60,000 starting price. That's in Canada. Now you think about that price and it's like, wow, that's a lot of money for a non-premium vehicle. But it's why you would consider this vehicle is because it's not listed as premium. So here's my point. And I'm going to use Lexus as an example because I have experience with Lexus. When you speak to your insurance broker about your car insurance, well, as soon as you suggest to them that you're in the market of purchasing a luxury vehicle or a premium vehicle, they're going to tag you with that premium price insurance, right? Not with Toyota. Then when you go in to get your vehicle repaired with a Lexus, again, premium vehicle, premium bill. I have experience, trust me. Then when you also look at fuel economy, this takes regular fuel, whereas, like, say for example, my Lexus took premium fuel. And if you don't follow that and your engine light goes on and then you go in to complain and you're thinking your vehicle's under warranty, but listen, if you're not filling it with premium fuel and that engine light goes on, trust me when I say you will get tagged with that and your warranty will not cover it. So when you think of the overall ownership experience, this vehicle, although it starts off expensive, overall it's actually cheaper. So you have to think about all that. Now, overall drivability is really good. It has a good center gravity with that overall balance because it has a low ground clearance as well. Noise cabin quality for a Toyota, not impressed, but also the roads have been dirty, it's been on off snow, and I have winter wheels and tires on. But what's really good is visibility is great at the front and the sides, and there's no blind spot out that C-pillar because the window is so huge. But overall, I like the experience. I like everything you get with it. That hybrid powertrain system is amazing with Toyota. But remember, when you're doing your research, you have to consider all of those ownership expenses. Guys, if you're looking for more information, look down in the description below. I try to make your purchasing experience easier for you. And while you're down there, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.